checklist, making critical last-minute calculations and adjustments. It looks like Team Pink's about to raise the stakes. Green Needle, are you ready for explosive exploits of breathtaking bravery? Green Needle, maybe you didn't hear me. I said, are you ready to see circus history? In one fleeting, fiery flash of glory.
It's just gonna scare the crap out of me.
Liliana, are you ready? Team Pink, Team
Like
Blue,
my ears.
everyone, count down with me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I told you it was gonna scare the crap out of me.